Lazy Keto Meals, your summer keto grillin' coming up next. Hi friends, a special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring today's show. We are talking about all of the best easy keto meals, lazy keto meals with grilling here at Food Lion. I went for a quick trip over with my 5-year-old over to Food Lion, found some organic, amazing meat, but guess what, guys? I had a coupon that I had loaded onto my MVP card, and I also had an additional one on my card too. I was so excited. So I actually ended up getting organic beef. I also got some organic ribeye steak. Super awesome and simple to run in and run out with. But also, I was so surprised how fresh the ingredients were and also the price tag on it, amazingly priced well. So here is what one of the items I did end up getting, which was ground pork to make like hamburger patties out of, but with ground pork. Of course, you can use egg as a binder with it, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and that makes it zero carbs, and makes for a really great, easy meal to grill up over the summer if you want a quick, lazy keto meal, a quick, easy keto meal. Get your grill going. And it's really simple to do meal prep also with this, where you can make tonight's dinner, tomorrow's lunch, and tomorrow's dinner really simply with a hot grill. So putting on there are easy, delicious pork. There were the pork hamburgers, but you could use regular hamburgers with them too. And at Food Lion, they had that amazing organic beef. It was the grass-fed beef too. Super simple to make your own patties. Again, just mix in if you want to. You can just straight up grill it, but you can mix in with the binder of having 1 egg with a pound of beef, a couple of drops of Worcestershire sauce. You could even put in some chopped onions in there, some shredded blue cheese crumbles. But again, this is so, like, it's pretty much zero carbs. I mean, if you added in there some blue cheese crumbles, it would be like 1 carb. But literally, you could add this with a lettuce wrap, or you can just eat it straight up. They had at Food Lion the most amazing blue cheese mustard, which I'll show you here in a minute. But you could put cheese on top of it. There's so many different kinds of cheese you could add. You could do a little bit of the healthy mayonnaise, like Primal mayonnaise. And Food Lion, by the way, had that on sale this past week for a great price. I actually did end up getting a couple of jars of that too, and some of their Chipotle Primal mayonnaise as well. But look how delicious they were. So simple. This literally took like, I don't know, less than 15 minutes to make dinner. I added some shredded cheese because I had a little bit left that I wanted to get rid of in my fridge, and then I made some keto coleslaw. But that's the tasty inspiration, or their tasting inspiration. It's one of their private labels, which, by the way, at Food Lion you can double. It's a double money back guarantee on private labels, which this is one of them. That, by the way, is the best blue cheese mustard. Go get 5 jars of it. I'm completely obsessed with the Taste of Inspirations. That's what it's called, Taste of Inspirations. It really is inspirational. And it makes hamburgers or any kind of meat taste delicious. So next I did end up grilling those organic ribeye steaks that I had too. You could do New York strips. They're so fresh, but also you can stock them. I had a different, there was like a sale running, and then I had a coupon loaded to my MVP onto my phone that I ended up using. But my grill, I'm using a Weber grill this time. My Weber grill is already hot. It's already set. All I need to do is put the steaks on it. About 3 minutes each side, depending on how well done you want it to be cooked. I did add a little bit of steak seasoning on there too. We also ended up using our smoker with it. You can use a meat thermometer with it, which I would advise just to make sure that everything is thoroughly cooked well. We like using our meat thermometer for that grill. For our Weber grill, we can kind of eyeball it and use a temperature gauge. You know, we'll use a timer for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, because I don't like mine. I like mine medium to medium well. So again, making sure it's already hot prior to putting it on. And then these are, again, zero carbs, literally zero carbs. It's so filling, so fresh. The meat was so fresh from Food Lion. We had some extra rosemary sprigs that I could put on top as a garnish from my garden. Added a little bit of avocado to the burger, added a little bit of blue cheese. I mean, there's so many different things you can do for zero carb meals with keto. It makes easy ketogenic diet. It makes keto weight loss really simple. And hear that sizzle on the grill. How amazing is that, by the way? It's so good. So I have a special link down below in the description link where you can go ahead and shop on your phone with Food Lion to get their pickup, or you can go into Food Lion like I did with the 5-year-old in tow, because it was so simple to do. Hey friends, if you found this video helpful, make sure you click that like button, click subscribe, and go to Food Lion to get their amazing grilling products. See you soon. Bye friends.